guys, my name is Tania. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys my new phone update of 2021, and I'm super excited because this is a brand new year, brand new beginning, brand new chapter, yada yada yada. My phone right here, I still have the same phone. I have not traded it or have not gotten a new phone just because this is not broken, still coming strong here in 2021, and yeah, so I have no purpose of getting a new phone yet. We'll see. But yeah, I am excited to show you guys what I have in my phone, what I am bringing 2021, new phone apps, new organization, new what's in my phone video, and I hope you guys really enjoy this theme and what I have in my phone and everything that I'm going to show you to get this new year started. So without further ado, let's just get this video started. Alright, so here we are with the phone theme. Pretty much this is the background. Who cares about the background, honestly? I'm gonna change it and spice it up here because this is going to transform it, honestly. But let's take a look at the icons. So I do love these icons. These are super unique, super cute. As you guys could see, we have all of these down here, and then I only have one page because I like to keep it clean. So I just have camera, gallery, my Google, and bank as well, notes, use this all the time. And then I also have more of the Google ones in here just in case, and it is in a folder. And I also have my email, my calendar, which is always necessary, looks like this. And then I have Yelp, love Yelp, Snapchat, Spotify for music, Instagram, and then we have the calculator, super cute and pink. We have YouTube, Facebook, and settings, which is a little cute icon right there. So as for when you swipe up, here are the extra icons. So these icons are looking like this, really cute. And these are the folders. Like I said, Samsung, here we are. The T-Mobile ones. These are all my social medias. These are for just like myself. Need this one all the time. Zoom as well. And these are for shopping. These are all the ones that I have currently. Music, which I do have TikTok on here. And then these are all my new picture editing ones. I just added this one. I just keep it very simple, very organized. Here is how the messaging looks like. So we just have a gradient pink and purple, super cute. I love that. The keyboard looks like this, so we have just pink and purple gradient, super cute. Love this so much. The phone is also super cute. Look at this gradient effect. Plus we got some cute little stars and flowers. I really love this. I love how all the colors look. Really nice. Here I have my wallpaper. So here is the little twin stars, and they're having a blast. They're having a party with their little friends, and we have just like the sky and clouds, pastel colors that match perfectly with all the colors of this theme. So I absolutely love this, and I will be applying it as my lock screen. The sky is clouds with stars and little speckles. It also is pastel, and it's so pretty. Trust me guys, it matches perfectly, and I love how it looks. So this one will be our home screen. So this is how it looks like. See what I mean, guys? It's so cute. I love the way the icons pop, especially these at the bottom. I think that looks super cute. They just go really well with the icons. And then this is how the lock screen looks like. The lock screen is so beautiful, so pastel. And then here are also the icons right at the bottom. I feel like these look perfect as well, and everything just goes nicely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like it and got inspiration and ideas for your future phone themes and wallpapers. If you guys ever have any questions, make sure to message me and I will gladly reply. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!